Hey everyone, if you want to grow your Discord community fast in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Discord for community growth the smart way. First, build a clear server structure. Organize channels into categories like info, chat, voice, and events so everything stays simple and easy to navigate. Next, create a strong onboarding system. New members should instantly understand the rules and where to go when they join. Now add engagement channels like general chat, memes, and discussions. These channels keep members active every day. After that, use a leveling system. Users stay more active when they earn XP and unlock new roles. Next, run events and giveaways. This is one of the fastest ways to increase engagement and attract new members. Now promote your server on social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter. More visibility means more growth. Finally, use bots to automate tasks. Bots help with moderation, welcome messages, and keeping your server active 24/7. So yeah, that's how you use Discord for community growth in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your server will grow faster and stay active. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy guides.